Simplify the expression, write your answer using integers for improper fractions. So now if we want to simplify it, we can see that this is not in a fully distributed format where all the additions and subtractions can be done. And whatever is in the in the bracket, it cannot be solved any further. So for that, let's put it in the format and we do the distribution here first.
So
Okay.
isn't that negative 20u?
Yes. It goes
And
here.
1.2u stays the same, right?
Yeah, 1 over 2u stays the same. Minus
And I got
20u.
negative 20u and I got negative and then I got positive 35 over 2.
Very good.
I'm just
Now,
having trouble. I only got the first step of the equation. I'm just don't know what to do after that.
so distribution is done. This was the distribution part. Now the next part is combining the like terms.
Oh,
Combination.
okay. This is like multiply. Oh, I have to multiply fractions. Like
Multiplying the
1.2,
fractions.
like 1.2 times 20u. 1.2u times 20u.
See, it's not in between them is not multiplication. That's the thing.
Oh, it's
There is,
subtraction.
yes, there is subtraction. And how do we solve when it comes to subtraction?
Uh, first, if you wanna, I talk about subtracting fractions.
Hmm. Subtracting the
Oh, you have
fractions.
to make it. If it's if you want to make it a denominator of 20, multiply 10 over 10, 10 over 20u.
Yeah, but why do we want to make the denominator 20?
Then it will be easier to subtract.
See, if the denominator we want to make 20, there should be something in the denominator, but there is nothing. So what is the first step?
Cross them. Can I use the bathroom?
Ah, sure. That's not how we do. See, what we have to do is we have to make the denominator same. There is no denominator in 20. So how do we do it?
Hmm. 40u.
There is nothing in the denominator, so we put a 1. And
Oh,
now we look at the
we can cross
denominators.
simplify.
We look at the denominators for both of them, which is
Oh,
2
okay.
and 1. So we
1
find
over u.
we find the least common multiple, LCM, of 1 and 2. What is the least common multiple of 1 and 2? Remember how to find it?
Oh, you have to list them out.
Yes.
So one or two, 6, 8. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yes, yes. What is the least common multiple?
2.
2. So in both of the things denominator, we actually need 2. Here there is already 2, but there is no 2 here. So how can we make the denominator a 2?
20 over 1 times 2 over 2.
20 over 1 times 2 over 2. Yes, you are correct. Times 2 over 2. That's right. And what does it make the next step as?
40u over 2.
First thing is half u. Then 40u over 2. And plus 35 over 2 as it is. Now, when we are done with it, we have made the denominators same. So at this time, we can write this.
Oh, so it's 1u minus 40u divided by 2.
Yes. So denominators were same. So we have taken it as the same one.
So isn't that negative 39? 1u minus
Yes.
40u?
Yes. So we got here a negative 39 u over 2 plus 35 over 2. And because this is not an equation, so we should not be putting a implies sign. We should be putting a equal to symbol. This is an equal.
And that's negative 19.5.
You don't need to solve that.
Oh,
What
if
is the question
that.
asking? Write your answer using integers or improper fractions.
Oh,
Is this
okay.
an
I thought I had to solve that.
Yeah, you don't need to solve this.
So that's the
So
final step.
yeah, this is our final step.
I took a note of it.
Yeah, this is simplification also. If the 2 was cancelable, we would have cancelled it, but there was no cancellation happening here. So that's why we just kept it as it is. So now from the previous simplifications, how is it different is number one thing we are doing the distribution, that's fine. Now the thing that is going to come is fraction. The fraction, for the fraction, number one thing is making the denominator same. Making denominator same. And after that, solving it. And after that, simplifying it as much as possible and keeping the answer in whatever format the question is asking for us. That will be our answer. That's all. Any question in any part?
No.
Okay. So let's go to our next question. Now, tell me what is the thing that was done?
So F,
Hmm.
F stays the same.
Yes. What is the next step we did?
It's multiplying 3 over 2, negative 3 over 2 times 3 over 2F, and then that's negative 6 over 4F.
Negative 6 over 4f. See, that's what I was saying. We're multiplying, na? 2 2s are 4. So 3 3s are.
9.
So there should
Also
be no.
9 over 4F.
Yes, 9 over 4f. And now, what is the next step?
Mm-hmm. 3 over 2. Negative 3 over 2.
Yes, that's right. Now, what do? We did the distribution.
And now communication.
Combination.
Combination. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
combination.
So what do we do for the combination to work?
F times 9 over 4F.
F times. See, the thing is, there is no time symbol here. So we cannot do the times.
So is it 9 over 4F minus 1 over 1F?
Yeah, we can say that. There is one F. We can say that. Now, over here, whenever there is a fraction, we want to combine them. There is no denominator. What do?
It becomes a 1.
Yeah, we just put a 1 here. Now, we see that we have the denominator, but the denominators are not same.
Oh, we multiply 1F times 4.
Yeah, okay. If we multiply this with a 4,
Then it will be the same.
okay, see, we are multiplying it on the top. Whatever we do to the top,
You do to the bottom.
yeah, we made the, now we have 4f over 4 minus 9f over 4 minus 3 over, that is the denominator is the same now.
So now that is negative 5F over 4
Yes,
minus 3 over 2.
yes. Can it be
So,
simplified any further?
no.
So this is our answer. Any question in any part?
No.
You can make a note of this. Let's go. So what is the thing that was done? There was 5 outside, and then what did we do?
It's a we have to distribute.
Distribution is later. Inside, if there is a simplification possible, now we can do the simplification. In the previous questions, the simplification was not possible. See, inside there is a f term, then 1.
So we have to distribute.
Yeah, so that's why we distributed. Because the terms inside the brackets over here in these questions were different. But over here we can see the terms are actually same. So if the terms are same, then we can simplify them inside the bracket itself. So
So it's Uh, it's just what's this called?
You were saying it correctly before. How
It
would
was negative 1/4 plus 5 4s.
negative 1 over
1 over
4?
4s.
See,
And
this
then
thing
that's
is, uh, so this thing is correct because this stays the same. What happens here?
it's 1/4 s.
But there is no 4 here. So how it can be 1/4? There is no denominator. So what do we do?
Multiply by 4.
Yeah, there is no denominator. If we multiply with 4,
Yeah, on
see,
both top and bottom.
okay, yeah, then this can be done, but there was nothing, so we put a 1 and now we multiply with the 4, correct?
Correct.
So
And then
we got
that's
my,
what's this called? 4/4, which is 1.
yeah, but we are not
Negative
going to
4
do it. Yes,
plus 5/4. Is it negative 4s over 4?
negative 4s over 4, yes, that's right.
Plus 5/4 s minus 5 plus 2s.
Yeah, so see over here, because the denominators are same, we can combine them. Denominator we got of
Yeah, I remember that step.
hmm,
48 plus 5s over 4.
it's 4s. This is s.
So is it 9s? 1s. It's 1s plus 4 minus 5.
1s plus 4 minus 5. Okay,
Yeah.
1s over 4 you mean, and minus
Yeah.
5. This is, yeah, we got this.
Yeah.
Now what do we do? Is there any further simplification possible in the brackets?
No, this is it.
Yeah, this is it. So the new step is that inside we had to solve this so that we can bring it to the form where we were originally given the previous questions. The previous
Oh,
questions were
okay.
actually starting from here. That is no simplification possible in the bracket itself. So we got this, and over here again the same step. Now you tell me what is the next thing we'll be doing?
So it's like this, like where when we plug it in.
We distribute it. Yeah. What do we
1s
get?
over 4.
Yeah, 1s over 4 is the inside thing. We distribute the 5. What do we get?
How? It
See,
can be simplified.
the distribution is the same thing that we used to do in the previous steps. So 5 multiplied by 1s over 4, what do we get? 5 multiplied with 1s over 4, what do we get?
So 5, we could change it. It's negative 5 over 1 times 4 over 4 is negative 20. I'd say negative 20 over 4 times 1s over 4.
See, we cannot do
Because,
the else. We don't need to do the LCM of this number, this term, and this term because they are not the same term. We are not supposed to be now solving the bracket inside. We need to be distributing what is outside. 5 is outside. We need to distribute it inside
so
because
5 over 1 times 1s over 4.
5 times 1s over 4, yes.
Uh, is 5s over 4.
Okay, is 5s over 4. Then
5s isn't negative 5s over 4.
negative 5s over 4. How is that happening? That's what I was saying. See, 5 is getting inside, na? So 5 gets
Oh
multiplied with
yeah.
an
It's 5s plus 5s over 4.
5s plus 5s over 4. How is the s coming here? There is no s here.
Cause
Hmm?
it's here.
Yeah, it is here in the first part. It's not here in the second part. So if no, it is not there, we cannot bring it on our own. We can just distribute and use the things which are already there. So 5 is already there outside. We distributed it inside on the first term. We also distributed it inside to the second term. So
And then
5.
it's 5 times negative 5 is negative 25
That's right. And what about the plus 2s?
plus 2s.
Hmm.
And 5s plus 2s is negative 3s.
Is the denominator same?
It's as you can see, it's s here and
Hmm.
2s. When you basically distribute 5 into times negative s, it's 5s. Negative 5s, I meant.
Okay. So we cannot do that here. See, the s variable term can be only combined with a variable term, right?
Right?
So 5s over 4 can only be combined with 2s, and the negative 25 has to be separately on one side.
Oh,
Is this? Yeah. So now look here. Can we combine them? Is the denominator same?
what? 5s over 5 over 4s?
Yeah. For this term and this term, is the denominator same?
No.
No. What do we do?
Multiply. So the denominator becomes 1.
Yes.
And
What
then
do we do?
5 over 4 times 4 over 4.
Yeah, we here multiply 4 over 4.
And then that's 20 over 4.
How is it 20? We are multiplying with this term, no?
Which term? Can you take it on your screen?
Oh, I am. Oh, you are not able to see my screen? I asked you, you can
Oh,
see my screen or not?
oh, I was sharing.
Okay,
My bad.
no worries.
Oh, 5s over 4 minus 25 plus 2s. I'm just copying this down.
Okay, you can. Do you want me to explain the whole thing? Here. Should I explain the whole thing to you?
No, I think I got it. And then 5s over 4
Yeah.
2s plus 1 times 4 over 4 is plus 8s over 4
Plus 8s over 4.
minus 25.
Yeah, that's right. Now,
Now that's 13s over 4 minus 25.
that's right. So,
It
any
can
simple.
simplify it further.
Perfect. Now, check out all the steps. Is it matching?
Yeah,
Everything is matching. Any question at any step?
no, I took a note.
Oh, great.
I just know without simplifying. Simplifying, yeah.
Don't worry, this will also again come easy to you. Then you will say this is very easy. Okay, let's go.